Gerunds in English grammar. How and when to use them. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun in a sentence. Even though gerunds look like verbs, they don't act as verbs in sentences. Instead, they take on noun roles like subjects, objects, or complements. A gerund looks the same as a present participle. It functions as a noun even though it looks like a verb. For example, I am working. Working is a verb. I hate working. Working is a gerund. It acts as the object of the verb hate. Native speakers often use gerunds because they sound more natural in everyday speech. For example, snowboarding is great. This sounds more natural than to snowboard is great. I love drinking wine. This sounds more natural than I love to drink wine. Let's look at when we use gerunds. We use them after certain verbs, like enjoy, avoid, consider, suggest, and finish. After prepositions like good at, interested in, and fond of. And after fixed expressions like it's no use, can't help, and look forward to. Let's look at when we use the infinitive. We use it after certain verbs like decide, want, hope, plan, or learn. After adjectives like happy, difficult, easy, and important. And for a purpose, why you do something. Some verbs have different meanings depending on whether you use a gerund or an infinitive. I'll give you an example. The verb forget. I'll never forget meeting her. This means the memory will stay with me when using a gerund. I forgot to meet her. This means I didn't remember to do it when using the infinitive. One of the uses of a gerund is to function as the subject of a sentence. For example, exercising regularly improves health. Cooking takes a lot of patience. It can also function as the object of a sentence. I enjoy dressing up. I hate losing. Choosing between a gerund and an infinitive as the object of a sentence can be tricky. Some verbs require a gerund, while others need an infinitive. However, they're not interchangeable. I enjoy eating fruit. The main verb enjoy requires a gerund. I like to eat fruit. The main verb like requires an infinitive. And it can be used as a complement of the sentence. One of my tasks is making dinner for the kids. The best thing about having kids is teaching them things. Here are some more ways gerunds are used. After phrasal verbs. I must carry on running. I ended up winning. When our verb follows a preposition. I'm not good at behaving. I've decided against going for a walk. Some compound nouns use gerunds. For example, washing line, shopping bags, sailing boat, and dancing shoes. Gerunds are used after some expressions. They include I can't help falling in love with you. It might be worth asking him if he has magical powers. It's no use trying to deny it, you fancy him. I can't stand losing. And finally, you can make the sentence negative by adding not before the gerund. For example, not exercising is bad for you. I hate not passing. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on gerunds.